Thanks for you to use Genuine Machinery high-rank heat transfer label machine. The following is the machine operation guide. Note: when place the machine must be leveled. Use spirit level to check if it is level with the ground. After placing it, first, refuel the machine. The fuel is here. Note: you need to add number 68 oil. Other oils may cause the machine to malfunction. Note: hydraulic oil should be added to 80% to 90% or more. Next, connect the cold press machine's power cable to the heat transfer forming machine. According to the letter, Group A and Group B correspond to this Group A and Group B. And also its power plug. And its air pipe connect to the cold press machine. Another air pipe, one end is connect to the heat transfer press machine. The other end is connect to the factory air supply port. Now, let's connect the power cable. Here is the international standard, 380 volts. E is ground wire, N is neutral wire, LELRL3 is live wire. Remember to turn off the main switch before wiring. First, connect the neutral wire, corresponding to N. Then, connect the LELRL3. Pull it to see if it is stable. Finally, connect the E wire and wrap it with electrical tape to prevent it from being exposed. Open the main switch. Open the machine main switch. Open the power switch. Click English, then click Work Selection page. Generally, these settings have been set when the machine leaves our factory. You just need to set vacuum time, which can be set to 5 seconds, 6 seconds, etc. And set molding pressure and molding time. It depends on your product. Different products require different molding pressure and molding time. Next page, click Temperature Control Parameter. Press Heating. The 4 thermostats below will light up. You can set the temperature here. Generally, the upper mold temperature is 80 to 90 degrees. The lower mold temperature is 130 to 160 degrees. It depends on your products. There is also a schedule heating function. Setting it on can save employees time. Next page, press Exhaust Parameter. This is the setting of cold press. Here you only need to turn on the water pump and die cooling, and set the cold press time. The time will be displayed on the cold press machine when the product is cold pressed. Next page, Signal Detection. This is an automatic detection function. Don't to activate it without authorization. If there is a problem with the machine, ask an engineer to check it. Next page, Production Control. Here you can set the number of products, modulus, time, and defective products, etc. produced by the operator. It will automatically calculate intelligently. The last, back to the first page. After setting the data, let's go to the button operation. First, switch this green button to manual mode. Then press the red button to push the mold out. Press the green button to put the mold in. Note: if you press the button and it doesn't move, check whether the motor is reversed. Normally, the machine will not move if the motor is reversed. To solve this problem, just swap any 2 of the 3 live wires. Remember to turn off the main power switch before doing this. Try it again, it is move. The buttons here is to control the vacuum hood. Switch it to the automatic mode, then press the button to lower or raise the vacuum hood. Let's look at the buttons of the cold press machine. First, press the red button to turn on the power, then press the green button to turn the temperature, usually 5 degrees. This is time display. This data has been set on the touch screen. Press the start switch with both hands. The machine starts to press down, and the timing starts. When the time is up, it will automatically rise and push out of the mold. Start again and look at this red button. It is emergency stop function. Okay, let's take a look at automatic mode. Switch this button to automatic, and press the green button to start. It will automatically complete the entire process, including automatic mold entry, rising, falling, vacuuming. When the molding time is reached, it will automatically push the mold out and push it to cold pressing. Thanks for your watching. Genuine Machinery provide the whole process technology support.